where medieval spires touch the Belgian sky and swans glide through canals as time drifts by. You know you are in Bruges. Also known as the Venice of North, Bruges is a tiny little fairy town in Belgium. I have created a perfect no rubbish and no drama itinerary for our walking tour in the city of Bruges. So let's get started. Best way to get to Bruges is by train. It's a 1 hour journey away from Brussels. A 5-minute walk from the train station will take you to Minnewaterpark Bridge and Minnewater, which translates to the Lover's Bridge and the Lake of Love. The legend says that if you cross this bridge with your partner, your love will last forever. Even if you are traveling solo, this serene spot is perfect for soaking up Bruges and snapping some postcard-worthy photos. Just cross the lake and you'll enter into a 17th century town. Our first stop here is Begijnhof, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This tranquil courtyard was once home to a community of religious women called Beguinage. We were here in the spring, hence the whole courtyard was filled with yellow flower beds. With the backdrop of whitewashed buildings, blue sky, and withered tall trees. Overall, this was very picturesque. Just a few steps away is my favorite spot in Bruges. It's a small garden by a canal. Here you'll find swans gliding through the canals, horse carriages all around. It feels like this is straight out of a storybook. If you want to take a ride in one of those horse carriages, this is your spot to be. For lunch, we went to the most iconic brewery in Bruges, which is the Halve Maan Brewery. It's right in the heart of the town and it has centuries of history. Their Flemish stew paired with one of their house beers is a match made in heaven. After lunch, continue your walking tour to the Church of Our Lady. This stunning Gothic masterpiece houses Michelangelo's famous Madonna and Child sculpture. Whether you are an art lover or just appreciate jaw-dropping architecture, this is a must-see. As we were here during the carnival season, we were surprised by street parades during the afternoon. The whole town came alive with vibrant parades, music and costumes. There were people dancing, distributing chocolates, kids enjoying. Overall, it was the best way to spend the afternoon in the town. Continuing our walking trip, we reach the most Instagram famous spot of the town, the Rozenhoedkaai. It is a beautiful meeting point of the canal, surrounded by medieval buildings and a huge weeping willow tree. Probably the tree is greener if you are here in summer, but even in spring, the viewpoint was amazing. Now let's head to Market Square, the heart of Bruges. This lively plaza is home to the iconic Belfry Tower. You may remember this tower from the movie in Bruges. It's the same tower from which Ken jumps off in the end. Climb the tower for panoramic views of the city, or just grab a coffee and admire the colorful buildings on the opposite side of the square. Up next, we took a short stroll to Spiegelrei Canal Viewpoint. This lesser known spot offers tranquil views of water and is perfect for escaping crowds while still enjoying Bruges charm. Also, this is on the way to our next stop, which is the iconic grinding grain windmill from 1777. It's a bit of a walk of around 1 kilometer, but the views of the windmill are totally worth it. The last stop for our Bruges walking tour is the chocolate line chocolatiers. It's a very renowned store, and here you can watch the chocolates being made and also buy some unique Belgian praline chocolates. And that's it from my one-day Bruges walking itinerary. Please do check out my videos on Brussels and the upcoming video on Ghent as well. For more such no rubbish and no drama itineraries, please subscribe to this channel. Until next time.